It's your boy back again with another video, and today I have a short but sweet video for you. I just want to change the look of my motorcycle. I bought something from Harley that came in the mail. Check it out, and then we will get with a quick install. All right, so let's take a quick look in the box. Here's the box right here, and I mean, like I said before, this is a short install video, but just wanted to take a look and see what we had inside. Flip the box open, right? So in the box, you're gonna get your mirrors. Actually, I like the way these look. Looks similar to the other one, but it's a little bit more bulky. You have the ridges, the outline. It actually makes it look nicer. So in the box, you're gonna get your bolts and your washers, and also your mirrors. So, and that's pretty much it. I think they have this thing slated as a skill level 3. Hi, honey, how you doing? That's my baby right there, y'all. So this says a skill level 2. This is a quick video, really short. I don't have a socket, but I do have the wrench here. It's a 13 millimeter. So you're just gonna loosen that up. Quite simple. Uh-oh, oh boy. Slide it out. Hi, honey, you want to be on my video? No? Okay, just tried something real quick. She wouldn't do it. So your left side will go actually over to your right side, being that I have it positioned underneath the mirror. So remember, your left side will go to your right side. All right, there it is. And you just repeat the process on the other side. So I'll bring you back once I'm complete. All right, so here you have it, the finished product. Just take a quick walk around. It's the new Empire collection. As you all can see, I have the Empire footboards, passenger board as well. So that's just a nice addition. Well, that concludes today's video. If you all like what you see, please remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. That being said, I see you all in the next one. Peace.